Did you know that StraightUp Solar is one of the only solar companies in Illinois or Missouri with a full-time service team? Caring for our customers is central to our mission, and we will ensure your solar solution continues delivering clean energy reliably to your home for years. Our professionals have designed and installed thousands of systems since 2006, a track record few other local solar companies can match. And we plan to be around to take care of our customers throughout the lifespan of their system. You want to choose a trusted local company, in it for the long haul. With our staff of more than 20 highly trained service professionals, we're ready for any problem that may arise. We handle communication errors between your array and inverter, chewed wires from critters, inverter failure, or physical damage from harsh elements like wind or hail. A visit from our service team or a quick troubleshooting conversation with our customer care team can get your system up and running quickly. We offer preventative maintenance inspections and production monitoring for commercial and industrial systems to keep them productive and functioning. Need a new roof after severe weather? Our remove and reinstall technicians will work with your roofer and insurance companies to seamlessly complete the whole project. All of our systems are backed by warranties that give you peace of mind, including a performance warranty, labor warranty, service warranties, and product warranties. Ready to uplift your energy with StraightUp Solar? Call today for a solar or service quote for your home, business, or farm.